several days.
Yes.
So how was your experience with the people of Kerala? And that too, you watched the film with the people. How was the reaction of the audience?
So first of all, I love Malayalam cinema. I've been saying this forever now, and I love Kerala food. I love the people here. The warmth and affection is just so amazing, so overwhelming. Last 3 days, we've been traveling to many theaters, and we've been doing press meets. So I think the vibe of the audience was crazy yesterday. It was so beautiful to see small girls, small cuties, and family crowd, and all of them are loving the movie, enjoying the movie, and the interaction was so beautiful. The way they appreciated small things, right? So that's like very heart touching. So I'm having a blast here for the last 1 week, and I'm totally loving it.
And it would be a crime if I don't acknowledge the fight scene that you've done in the movie.
Thank
So
you.
that was spectacular.
Thank
Can
you.
you kind of explain a very few good fight scenes?
Thank you.
Thank you. So sweet of you to say that. Yes, first of all, I have to say thanks to Benzi Production for giving this opportunity to me and to the entire cast and crew here. And I think, Abdul Nazar sir's passion for cinema and love for showing different genres is beautiful, and that is why I got this opportunity to explore a fight scene. And I think, it requires a lot of dedication. It's not as easy as it looks. And as actors, like Ashkar said, right, it's a part of our job, it's a part of our profession, so we love doing it. And I totally enjoyed doing the fight scene, and I think the audience response has been very good. Girls are loving it, which I'm very happy about.
The Sakshi
And,
has that looks. Avarkai looks ഉണ്ട്. You know, വെറുതെ നിന്നാലേ ഒരു മാർഷൽ ആർട്ട് പഠിച്ച ഒരു ലുക്ക് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. So that's also a character and helping.
Thank you, Riya sir, for saying that. So, I am a trained martial artist person. So, Silambam, all this, I've done my training, kickboxing, everything with Pandian Master, Tamil Nadu le. So, and the training irukranale, it has helped me to do the fight scene. But of course, the dedication, discipline, it's an everyday process. It's not like in the week shoot pandrona, in the week mattum dhaan kadiyadu. It's an everyday process, and the fact that I got the opportunity to explore it itself, I'm very honored.
ചെന്നൈയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും YMCA ഉണ്ട്.
Ah.
അവിടെ
Pandian Master.
ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 90% ഓഫ് ആക്ടേഴ്സ് പാണ്ഡ്യൻ മാസ്റ്ററിന്റെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിന്നാണ് സിനിമാറ്റിക് ഫൈറ്റ് പഠിച്ച് പോകുന്നത്.
ഞാനും അവിടുത്തെ ഒരു ശിഷ്യനാണ്.
എല്ലാവരും അവിടെയാണ്. സോ ഐ മീൻ ഏത് വലിയ പേരെടുത്തോളൂ അവിടെ നിന്ന് വരത്തുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും അവിടെ നിന്ന് പഠിക്കും, അവിടെ പോകും, വീണ്ടും പഠിക്കും. ഇനി ലാസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത പൊന്നിയിൻ സെൽവത്തിന് പോലും പാണ്ഡ്യൻ മാസ്റ്റർ അടുത്താണ് ബിഫോർ ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് പ്രിപ്പറേഷന് വേണ്ടി റിഹേഴ്സൽ വേണ്ടി വിട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. സോ വി ഓൾവേസ് ഗോ അവിടെ പോകും, റിഹേഴ്സൽ ചെയ്യും, വരും.